Brrr. It's freezing. Good morning. To warm you up, how about you hit the subscribe and hit the bell and hit the like, and it'll warm us both up. So, I think we wrapped up last night. I can't quite remember. Actually, running behind. I just hopped out of bed. 6:30. Crazy late for me. Um, I guess it was so warm I didn't want to budge. Um, so right now, futures are up 15. So I'm up a little higher when I woke. Um, but here, if we look at the futures right here, we have this hammer coming off of the trend line, off of the Keltner. Um, it's above the 50-day, and it broke, so it actually triggered for an up trade. And how you would take this trade is you take that break of the hammer, and your stop goes below the hammer, and it's quite a big move. So a lot of risk. I probably would just go halfway, to tell you the truth. Um, put my stop below that 50-day, above the Keltner. I like a 2-to-1 risk reward ratio, and you're talking about, oh, oh yeah, you're talking about 90 points. So I'm not taking a 90-point spread. Um, I'd have to get 180 points out of the bad boy. So cut that in half. Try to get 90 points out of it. I'd be happy. But see, I don't really like the momentum though. We made a higher low, but looks like the fast line, that's a -4. Yeah, I guess it's a little higher. I mean, if you do the numbers, it lays out correctly. Get rid of this line right here. Just see how it fares against that trend line. So it still doesn't feel that strong, but we'll have to see. So this is that's the futures. Let's see what the energy on the S&P is. So again, you see yesterday's hammer right there. It's sticking with this trend line, which that's a pretty good trend line. The momentum looks better too. It looks slightly better, a little more encouraging, and we're up 15, so we're obviously breaking that. Um, I think that 713, 720 might be the high. Then that would be making a serious head and shoulders, and then we could look out below. So that's what we're going to keep an eye on. See how high. I think we're going to. I'm feeling a head and shoulders coming in, but yeah, we'll just trade the day, see how it goes. Long term, you might be able to buy on a dip. If we get a head and shoulders, that's going to lend to the idea that I have that it's just going to be a very consolidating year, and hopefully, we have between 5 and 8. I mean, 300 points, and as a trader, we'll be able to make money. But that's what we're going to watch. So today, I mean, the trade is the break of this hammer. It's going to give us a bullish bias. Then we could drop down to lower time frame charts, and we could use our trading skills and our trading setups. So that's in a nutshell. Let's see what Tesla's doing. See what the flavor is on Tesla. Mm-mm-mm. Um, Tesla's up 9. I mean, you can't really call that a hammer. That's just enough bar. In the upper Keltner channel, still below the 8-day. So I got an I don't know on the Keltner on the on Tesla. I think Tesla is going to find its value and start consolidating. I think you might start losing some of the volatility in Tesla. And anyway, that's it. That's really what I'm looking for in the market, man. I think we're going to push up a little bit on the S&P. I'm going to be watching that 720 range and see what that does for me. 720 to 730 or so. See what that does for me for Head and Shoulders. 731. You know, and again, this is trading, just getting my bias for trading. Long term, I still like all these securities that I keep talking about, and two different animals. I don't care if the market's going up or down when I take a long term. I mean, I'm forgetting about it. It's like shutting the market off today, and I'll turn it on in another year, and I'll check to see where everything is. And I'm pretty confident it's going to be higher, if not around here. But and then some securities, you know, I'm forgetting about for 20 years, like space, and I don't feel like going through the list. So anyway, with the lack of enthusiasm, that's it, man. Good luck today. Calm, cool, and collective, and be at peace when you trade, and good luck trading. And hit the subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like. Thanks.